Ever felt like your money is a runaway train and you're just desperately trying to grab onto the caboose? You know, you pay the bills, you buy groceries, and then, poof, it's gone. And those big, inevitable expenses? The ones you know are coming, like car repairs, holidays, or that dreaded annual insurance renewal. They always seem to blindside you, leaving you scrambling. Sound familiar? Well, if you're on the hunt for a budgeting system that actually helps you plan for those future expenses, you've probably stumbled across YNAB, or you need a budget. And a question that pops up a lot, especially for those of us trying to get ahead, is, does YNAB have sinking funds? Now, technically, YNAB doesn't have a feature labeled sinking funds. But, and this is a big but, it absolutely empowers you to create and manage them, just in a slightly different way. Think of it less as a pre-built feature, and more as a philosophy, a way of thinking about your money that YNAB perfectly facilitates. See, YNAB operates on 4 core rules, and the most crucial one for our purposes is give every dollar a job. This means you assign every single dollar you have to a specific category, a specific purpose. And that's where the magic happens. Instead of a dedicated sinking fund section, you create categories for each of your future expenses. Need to save for a new laptop? Create a category called New Laptop. Planning a vacation? Summer Vacation Fund. Got a car that's due for new tires? Car tires. Then, you simply allocate a portion of your income to each of these categories every month. This isn't about setting aside a lump sum and forgetting about it. It's about consistently funding these categories, building up those reserves over time. So, how does this differ from traditional sinking funds? Well, it's more flexible. You're not locked into a rigid system. You can adjust your categories and funding amounts as needed. If your car needs unexpected repairs, you can pull from your car repairs category. If you decide to postpone that vacation, you can reallocate those funds. YNAB's strength lies in its transparency. You see exactly how much you've saved for each goal, and you can track your progress over time. This visual representation of your money is incredibly powerful. It helps you stay motivated and focused on your financial goals. Plus, with YNAB's reporting features, you can see how much you've spent in each category over time, allowing you to refine your budgeting and forecasting. This granular level of control is what makes YNAB such a powerful tool for managing your money, and for effectively creating and using sinking funds, even if they aren't called that. Ultimately, YNAB doesn't just give you a place to store money. It gives you a system for understanding and controlling your finances. It teaches you to be proactive, to anticipate future expenses, and to plan accordingly. It's about giving your money purpose, and that purpose can absolutely include those essential sinking funds. So, while you won't find a button labeled sinking funds in YNAB, you'll find the tools and the methodology to build them effectively and efficiently. You'll find the ability to truly control your money and stop those surprise expenses from derailing your financial progress. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.